how to back up wallet on Best Wallet. Now, backing up your wallet is necessary because next time if you want to import it, most of you won't remember your recovery phrase, right? So basically, when you don't remember your recovery phrase, in that time it could actually be difficult to restore it. So that is why you want to back up to your cloud. To back up your wallet, go to the settings icon from the bottom right of the screen. At the very top, you can see the option called Manage Wallets. Then go to the Manage Wallet option. Here you can see your multi-chain wallets, or you can see your EVM wallet right here. So depending upon which wallet you have, select that. If you want to back up, you can see it says Cloud Backup. Currently, I have not backed up, so it says no backup available, but I can tap on it. Then I can select Backup to Drive. I can select the Google account I wish to back up my wallet with. Then after that, I can simply allow the access, and then after that I'll be able to go ahead and then back up my wallet to Best Wallet to my Drive or my cloud. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.